Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to make an egg souffle pancake. The main ingredient that you need are 2 eggs. Then, separate the yolk from the egg white and place them into 2 different bowls. Oh yeah, you will need a bigger bowl for the egg whites. Then, add a pinch of salt to the yolk and 1 tablespoon of sugar to the egg whites. Take a whisker and give it a good whisk. You need to whisk the egg whites until it gets thickened and foamy. Something like this. Then, whisk the yolk and put them together. Give it another whisk so they blend evenly. Once it's done, grab a pan and put it on low heat. Add some butter to the pan. Make sure it melts and cover up the pan evenly. Then, pour the eggs. Don't forget to put a lid on it. Let it cook for 3 minutes. You can give it a check if you need to. Once it's done, remove from the heat. Plate it nicely. And there you go, your egg souffle pancake is ready.